Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen recipes. In this video I'll be showing how to make homemade yogurt with milk powder. Ingredients are shown in this video and also in the description box. Take a bowl and pour 3 cups of water. Add 1 cup of milk powder. Stir and mix it well. Make sure there are no lumps. Fluid milk mixture is ready. Heat and pan in medium heat and pour the milk mixture. Keep stirring the milk and allow it to boil. When you notice the tiny bubbles in the sides, turn off the heat. Or you can even boil the milk completely and turn off the heat. Cool down the hot milk to warm temperature. Add 3 tablespoons of yogurt and mix it well. Close the lid and keep it overnight in warm place. Milk powder yogurt is set and is ready to serve. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my kitchen recipes. Thank you.